Hello everyone! In today's video, we will learn how to add a font to Capcut on your PC. Feeling limited by Capcut's default fonts and want to try something different? Get ready to make your videos stand out from the crowd. First, find a reliable font website like Google Fonts or DaFont. There you will find hundreds of free font styles. Choose any that you like and download it. Use the search bar if you have something specific in mind. Once you get the result, click on the download button. The file will be successfully downloaded. Double-click the downloaded font file and click Install in the font preview window. Within a few seconds, the font will be installed in your system. Let's close this window and open Capcut software on your computer screen. Now, start a new project or open an existing one. Once the Capcut video editor opens, click the Text tab in the top toolbar. Drag the default text box onto the timeline where you want to add text. Click the Font option in the text editing panel on the right side. Make sure all the font lists are open. Scroll down to the System section. As you can see, there are hundreds of font presets that are already available in Capcut. And here is the newly installed font that we are looking for. Select it. Adjust the text size, color, alignment, and other properties as needed. That's it. You have successfully added a font to Capcut on your PC. Now you can make your videos even more unique and creative. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.